Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Rainbow Sale-A-Bration kit from our 2025 Sale-A-Bration offering. Card making just got easier with this new all-inclusive kit. It comes with supplies to make 6 cards, 2 each of 3 designs, and includes 6 pre-printed envelopes and cheerful die-cut images and sentiments. The printed sentiments are available in English, French, German, and Dutch. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. These fun cards are a great way to brighten someone's day. This kit is only available with a qualifying purchase during Sale-A-Bration, which is from January 7th to February 28th, 2025. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have other kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!